let's solve this together. It says x dot x dot x plus x is equal to 10. We're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation, okay? But this is not known. Now, first things first, you can see when we have dot, it means multiplication. What we're going to have here is x times x to be s squared, and x squared times x is s cubed, okay, plus x is equal to 10. Alright? Now, moving on from here, let's find the first value for x. We can factor out x here to give us x squared plus 1 equal to 10. Now, 10 is equal to 5 times 2, right? So you can say 10 is equal to 5. If 10 is equal to 5 times 2, it means that this outside one is 2 and this one is 5. Let's test if this is correct, okay? So we have that this is 2 multiplied by 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, okay? And this is equal to 10. Hence, we can conclude from here that our x is equal to 2. This is just one of the answers for x. Now remember that the highest power for x here is 3, so we're going to find the remaining two answers for x with the next step, okay? Now, next thing we can do here is to write this equation to be equal to x cubed plus x minus 10 to be equal to 0, okay? Now looking closely here, we have x is equal to 2, okay? So we can say that this becomes x minus 2 to be equal to 0, okay? Now setting this, you can divide this, okay, by this. So we're going to have, so from dividing this, I'm going to have x minus 2 on the outside. Then we have x cubed. Now we have plus 0x squared. Next thing we have is plus x. We have minus 10, okay? Now x cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. Okay, now we have minus 2x squared. When we subtract, we have 2x squared plus x. 2x squared divided by x is plus 2x. Then we have 2x squared minus 4x. Okay? Subtract again, we have 5x. Bring down minus 10. 5x into this is plus 5. Okay, so then we have 5x minus 10 again, and this is 0. So it means that when we divide x cubed plus x minus 10 by x minus 2, we get x squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay? So this indicates that our equation can be expressed in this form. Okay? Now we can say, let's equate this part to 0. Okay? So we can say that this is equal to 0. So x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay? Solving this using the quadratic formula, we have that our x here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay? Now a is 1, the coefficient of s squared, so we have this to be equal to minus b is 2, okay? So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 5 times 1 is negative 20, okay? All over 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of minus 16 over 2. Okay, this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of minus 16 is 4i. Okay, so because you have root of 16 here times root of minus 1. Okay, this is minus 16. Root of minus 1 is I, root of 16 is 4 plus or minus. Okay, so we now have divided by 2, and then this becomes equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Okay, as x, and our first answer for x is that x is equal to 2. Okay, so this becomes the 3 answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.